Today, I'm going to be showing you a new product that we just designed for the D5 Evolution golf carts. This is going to be a cooler and ball washer bracket that can be mounted on any style D5 with all rows facing forward. This video, we're going to show you how to install it on your cart, so let's check it out. So I'm going to be showing you how to install the whole kit. We do offer this kit broken up to where you can just buy a singular ball washer or just a cooler, but in today's video I'm going to show you how to install everything. In the full kit, this is how it's going to be broken down. You're going to have your ball washer and club cleaner. You're going to have a ball washer club cleaner bracket, as well as some Phillips head screws that mount the ball washer onto the bracket. You're going to have your custom fabricated bracket that actually mounts to the cart and extends it outward with 2 bolts that clamp it on. This is going to be the cooler tray. This will mount to that bracket with 2 bolts. You'll have your cooler, and then these are the tools that are necessary for this install. Tools that are necessary, you're gonna need some type of ratchet with a 7/16 socket. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, as well as a 7/16 wrench. So one thing that's neat about this kit, it's universal for either side. So it's totally up to your preference. If you want the ball washer on the driver's side and the cooler on the passenger, or vice versa, this all mounts the same. So the first thing you're gonna do is take this C-clamp bracket, and you're actually going to put it behind this rear roof support here. Taking this extended bracket here, you're gonna mount it with the higher side facing outwards, and we're gonna go and put the bolts through. So now that you have your bolts ran through, it's ready to tighten everything up. Once again, we're using a 7/16 ratchet and a 7/16 wrench. So now that we have the bracket tightened, we're gonna install the club cleaner and ball washer bracket. You're gonna wanna put your 2 bolts in the lower 2 holes and match them into the higher holes on this bracket. So once you've securely mounted the club cleaner and ball washer bracket, you're now going to want to secure the club cleaner to the bracket itself. Take 4 of the Phillips head screws that come in the box, and you're going to want to insert these underneath to the pre-drilled holes and tighten them in. So now that we've installed the ball washer and club cleaner, we're going to jump to the other side and install the cooler. It's the same process. You're going to want to put this C-clamp around the rear upright, take the bracket with the taller side facing outward, and install it with your bolts. Now it's time to install the cooler mount tray. You're gonna take your cooler mount tray and line up the 2 bottom outer holes to these 2 holes here. It's gonna be the far bottom left and then the one that sits in the center. Now that your cooler mount is secured to the bracket, all you have to do is drop your cooler in. As you can see, this cooler here opens with this lid, and it's also going to include a freezable ice pack to keep your drinks cold. So as you can see, we have both installed. Like I said previously, you can install this either way. So if you want the cooler on the driver's side and the ball washer on the passenger, that's totally fine.